Why the world so wicked? Dun, dun, dun. Why people so wicked? Why some people so heartless? Hey, oh salo boame oh. Hey, my dear brothers and sisters, some people are just so wicked. Some people wicked, so say wickedness sef come pass them. Some people too wicked, they wicked so say even devil, when we all know say wicked, even they give dove, they give heart to them, they salute them, say yes, you too much, you pass me. Some people are just so wicked, heartless. See wetin people do, see wetin they put for inside can as tomato paste o. See as this thing dey gum dey form together, e be like rubber wey dey don melt when e hot. People are just desperate, trying to make this money at the detriment of other people's health. They no care, they no mind if their fellow human beings go kpai or injure. All they want is just to make money. My brothers and sisters, I made a statement before in my previous videos. I say as e dey go so for this country, anything wey you wan buy, open your eyes well, shine your eyes oh, most especially if na wetin dey enter belle. Open your eyes. No wonder cancer dey everywhere, no wonder kidney failure dey everywhere. Person wan chop again, we no go dey chop better thing again. My dear, you guys should be very careful. Wetin happen for this video? This is what happened. This woman, when they roll this so-called thing rubber, when they talk say na tomato paste, she said she gave this can to her daughter to go and prepare. So now something just talk say make her daughter go, make she go kitchen, go check wetin her daughter dey prepare. She comot spoon, she come notice say the tomato paste dey gum with spoon. Now she come carry am come and come talk say she never notice or see where tomato paste dey gum with spoon, dey be like rubber. Now she carry am come out to come fold am. As e go finish, come detect say na wetin be this. What if she had not gone there? Now wetin dey for just shop be this. People are so wicked. This is not the only tomato paste, so dey plenty for market. Some are even hiding fake tomatoes, using big products, using big companies name. That is why you have to be very careful. Please share this video. If I don't watch this video reach this place, please share this video. Run to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, the same name, Effects Always TV. Run to my Instagram, follow me on my social media platforms. Share. I love you guys.